album, I'm Happy For You, na palabas na pa sa August 14. Part sa side na to, still photo up. Ayan. Dito lang. This side naman lang. Okay, join your co-actors there as I call in another personal favorite. Dahil ang husay, when you have an actress as good as her, wala ka rin, can never go wrong. She is 2023 and 24, very, very promising. She is the family of, royalty siya, kasi anak siya na, siyang original na anak, ni Janice at ni Jan, Kyla Estrada! Ang sa inyo talaga? I hardly be, nagiging fan ako pag ganito. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Ganda.
Correct. Beautiful.
Ganda.
At parang tumatangkad pa lalo. Center na, dito tayo, marker yan. Yan. Beautiful, look at her. Thank you, Kyla. Join your co-actors there. He made a mark as 3 taon pa lang. He got the good project sa Star Cinema, and I'm happy that talagang na-utilize ang husay si director. I'd like to call in the box office director. Please welcome Direct Peters and Vargas.
Direct.
Oh, bagets.
Congrats, Direct.
Send dito Direct, please. Tayo na mag-co-host na lang tayo. Ayan, ang bata, no? Gwapo. Okay, dito daw Direct sa site man ng mga jobs. Direct, join your actors there as I call it together now. We all fell in love with the team up. Sabay tayong umiyak nang nag-iwalay sila. But today, after 7 years, they are back in the big screen. August 14. Please welcome Joshua Garcia and Julia Barreto. Habang pinatutugtog ang Paubaya, a controversial Paubaya song. Oh my God, you never go wrong talaga sa kilig ng dalawang ito. I saw the trailer, they were so fierce, they were so natural, ang galing. No, taktabat sa galing nilang dalawa. Julia was in her most natural in this movie. And Joshua is in his most intense. Steve, dito sa gitna, Josh Dia is officially back! Opang-opaan, opa! Guwapo.